Hi guys, after we have a series of the unboxing time, we got some friends who want to see different kinds of the watches. So today we are going to have the ladies watch unboxing video. Let's go! Here is the parcel that you will get from the online store. Let's open it. And here we can see it's a white box for ladies. What is we usually got the white boxes inside. And here is the up protection. Yes, up protection. And the first one is the instruction manual. The second one is the guarantee card. Yeah, a 1-year warranty. And the next one is cleaning clothes. And the next one is silicone discount. And the last one is the main object, our ladies watches. Yes, very exclusive and very nice women's watches. Wow, the feeling is so good. The leather is so soft and looks good quality. Let's have a look about these watches. This is a wine red color and with a diamond dial scale, and also the leather. Yes, last video we tell everybody if you want to see the strap, you can find here. We can see the number here. This is a worth genuine leather, so this means the watch you get is with a genuine leather watches. Yes. And here, when you get a new watches, please remember to put this white pin out so the watches can work. You see now, all the hand is not working, but after you pin it off, yes, this white pink, pin it off, and put the crown on. Then the watch is working now. Is it clear? Yeah. Wow. I like this flower inside here in the 6 o'clock position. And there are so many small diamonds for the scale. Yeah. And this watch is very light and easy to match your clothes. You can wear it for a date or for business or just for matching any kinds of your clothes. Yes, I think it's very beautiful and nice and elegant. Yeah. Wow, so nice. And let's see the hole of the strap and the buckle. This is a stainless steel buckle with the logo here. Yes. And it only have one crown, one button to adjust the week and the date. here 7 days for Sunday to Monday to Saturday, Sunday, and here is 31 days for a month. You can use this button to adjust all the functions. If you don't know how to adjust, you can read the manual book. All the detail will write inside. But I think this may be very simple because only 2 functions here. Okay, and I think this gift is very useful because it's soft, very soft to clean your watches and clean your mobile phone. Clean your mobile phone here. Also, can you clean your glasses here? Yes, it's very useful. Okay, this is all for this woman's watch today. If you want to see more models, please write down and give us a review and tell us the model number you want to see the unboxing video. We will show you in the next video. And here it's the all the details about these watches for your reference. Yes. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye.